How to buy FIFA World Cup 2026 ticket. Now the process that I'm going to be showing you right now will be made through the web version of FIFA World Cup. So all I have to do at first is open up or use any preferred web browser on your end, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now just simply look for or search for FIFA World Cup 2026 and just simply click on a certain link that will redirect you to this official website right here. So in here, just locate the three lines, the top left portion, and then just simply choose on tickets. Now you will be redirected to a lot of features that you can do, such as tickets, hospitality, and marketplace. For you to be able to purchase and look for any available seats on a qualifying match, just simply hit on tickets and hit on learn more. You will then be redirected to FIFA ID, where you need to log in or to create an account with FIFA website. Now from here, add your first and last name and as well as your email address that is still working, your date of birth, and so on and so forth. Now once everything is filled out, you will automatically be logged in, and then all the available matches that will be ongoing will be prompted on your screen. Just simply choose on any match that you would like to purchase a ticket from, and then just input your payment method. And that is how you buy FIFA World Cup 2026 ticket.